Our next objective is we will create a user. And what is a user? A user is a person that is the one responsible in making a tickets. For example, for a user is the employees who is assigned in the production, or people who are having problem with their computers, or anyone in the company that is having a problem, and they can log into the user land page and create a ticket so that the agent can solve whatever the user problem is. So we will create a user, a sample user. To do that, we will go to the agent panel, and then sir, so we're in the agent panel. Next is go to the user dashboard, user, and then we will add a new user. As you can see, there is the option add new user. We will add a new user, add new user. Email address will be makabalig makabaligotin at gmail.com. Full name Makaba, last name is Ligotin, and then that's it. We will just leave the phone number and note. So we will add user. So Makabaligotin at gmail.com. So we created one, and then if we go back to the users, that user is now listed in our dashboard here in our users directory. So that's how you create a user.